Hey everybody, welcome back. Bitcoin buying season has officially started and I'm super excited about it. This is where all the millionaires are made in the market, and this is how you guys will make the best profit ever by following what has worked historically every single time. All right, guys? So let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. You can see an orange line and a yellow line here. If you buy below the orange line and above the yellow line, this is usually the golden opportunity for us to buy crypto for the long-term bull runs that really make a lot of money. So let me just give you a quick example here. Last time, if you would have bought anywhere between these two levels during the next bull run, you would have been up about 198%. On the previous bull run with COVID, same thing, except for this time it would have been about 800%. This is where you make the most money. COVID did drop us down below the 200 weekly moving average, but historically, we tend to just settle around this level, and then you hold on long enough, and everything will boom in the next few months to a few years, all right? So let's kind of zoom in here on the weekly chart so we can see what exactly is going on and why I'm so excited. Shorts were able to push us down for a close down below the 200 weekly exponential moving average here. Now all we have to do is worry about the support level right here from the 200 weekly moving average, so the simple moving average here. This zone right here is where everybody is going to get very, very excited about buying crypto. You're going to probably see another drop coming over the next few weeks, especially with Jerome Powell giving his speech here on Wednesday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. However, this is going to be that golden opportunity. If you guys believe in, the historical norms that, hey, after we have a bull run, after we have some death crosses and so forth, like the, which one am I looking for here? There we go. Where we have a death cross between the 20-week moving average and the 50, leading to a crash, leading to a crash, leading to a crash over and over again. If you believe we're in this normal cycle here, then we should find a good level of support around the 200 weekly moving average. If that does occur, we could be finding the bottom over the next month or two. And that's going to be very, very good, exciting, because most of you guys that like to buy down here, it's very, very annoying because you're always afraid the price is going to continue going down. And that is a scary thought. But historically, if you just buy anywhere down here, even at the very top of this, and you just hold, you're making over 100%, and your altcoins are going to be moving up hundreds, if not thousands of percent within that move, which is going to make this so exciting, everybody. Now, the one caveat to all this, which you guys know if you guys watch the streams every day, you have to be careful of how bad inflation may get and if we have a recession. So from a historical standpoint, the 200 weekly moving average, as you guys can see, is usually the bottom. And that's been true all the way back here since 2014. The one thing that could really mess this up for us in the future is if the NASDAQ were to break down below its own 200 weekly moving average. At this point in time, doesn't seem likely, but we're keeping a very close eye on it, everybody. Here's the NASDAQ's 200 exponential moving average. The yellow line right here is the is the simple moving average. And let me get rid of actually the exponential here. We only break down below this moving average in times of extreme crisis, 2008 financial crisis, dot-com bubble. We have not broken down below this line ever since the 2008 financial crisis, not even during COVID, So as long as Jerome Powell can keep inflation under control or raise basis points enough to keep us from a full-on rout and the panic in the market, Bitcoin should find a good stable level around that $22,000 level, and that's going to be key for you guys who want to try to time the bottom as best you can, because currently this moving average right here is at $22,000, 386.06. It's going to fluctuate a little bit over here the next few weeks, but 22,386. That's your goal right there. If you guys want to buy some larger positions, you want to be using it. You want to be buying in between these zones right here, preferably towards the bottom of the zone, of course. But this is where you guys make all your money by buying long-term holds. Just with that caveat here, guys. If we break down below the 200 weekly moving average, and so does the NASDAQ, you could see Bitcoin going to 16,000. But if you guys buy right here, like I plan to and I will, I'm still going to be holding any positions I buy right here, even if Bitcoin gets slammed down to $16,000 because of a recession or something bad. Remember, guys, Bitcoin has never had an American recession. Hey, everyone, one last thing. I was about to finish up this video, but then I looked on CNBC.com, and look at this. Dow futures down 232. S&P 500 down 44, and the NASDAQ down 196. This is going to be one wild and volatile week. Get ready for some trading because it is going to be so much fun. Thanks, everybody.